Welcome. In this video, we will explain an often overlooked but powerful SEO element, that is breadcrumbs. If you are trying to improve website navigation and search visibility, breadcrumbs are your secret weapon. In web design, breadcrumbs are navigation links that shows user where they are within a website's structure. They act like a digital trailback to the home page or previous pages. There are three main types of breadcrumbs. Each one has a different function based on your site structure. Breadcrumbs are not just for users. They help Google understand your site hierarchy, distribute link equity, and enhance how your pages appear in search results. Google often displays breadcrumb paths in search listing, replacing the traditional URL. This makes your result more readable and clickable, increasing your CTR. Breadcrumbs are usually placed below the header and above the page content. They are ideal for blogs, e-commerce sites, and any website with multi-level navigation. If you are using WordPress, the Yoast SEO plugin make it easy to add breadcrumbs. Just enable the feature in the settings and paste a shortcode or add a block where needed. When you enable breadcrumbs through Yoast or manually, they also add schema markup, which help Google display breadcrumbs in rich results. To get the most out of breadcrumbs, follow a few best practices, make them clear, don't duplicate links, and make sure they are mobile friendly. To sum it up, breadcrumbs improve navigation, user experience, and SEO. They are easy to add and can make a big difference in both rankings and usability. Thanks for watching. If you found this useful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Want to learn more SEO techniques like this? Check the course link in description.
To know more about this topic in detail or to enroll in our online course, click on the link given in the video description below. Thank you.